To the car? Okay.
What I miss, man?
What you miss? I mean, they been going fast. The majorest thing was Moonshine versus the ICT Billy truck. Moonshine fucked them up. I was gonna bet with ICT Billy cause he a white boy. I thought he been to fucking Rocky Mountain Race Week. I thought he had it like that, but he suck at the light. Oh boy, left on his ass at the light. Boy, it was over with. Wasn't no. And then it looked like they switched driver. I ain't turned that bitch up. They were playing it first. Yeah. Boy, when they turned that shit up, that motherfucker whoop a car. Man, that truck will whoop a car. You hear me? Yeah. That truck ain't playing. ICT Billy, that motherfucker looked like he was running at first.
This is what I'm trying to be like.
Keezy ain't no good.
Bro, what my drink at, bro?
Man, them motherfucking Mexicans and oh damn. I thought I lost my drink. I been so motherfucker. That bitch right here. Man, these bitches. Hey man, these bitches gave me too much goddamn Buchanan. I'm knocking that bitch down though. I'm knocking that bitch down.
What you drinking on?
They got me some Buchanans. Them Mexicans, fool.
Oh shit. What you
them
doing?
Mexicans, fool.
What you doing?
I got them Mexicans, fool.
You got what?
Mexicans.
I got flying low in the cup. I got flying low in the cup. You see him swimming?
Yeah.
Oh shit, he about to
finna finish that motherfucker.
He about to drive.
Hey, you clowning because Yanni going at that van looking at you.
Oh, there go Low right there. Low, look at Low watching. Low in the car watching live.
Get him up out of there. Shit. Hey, one thing about me, I'm ready.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, shit already.
One thing about me, I'm ready.
Low still having a couple. Once we get everything.
Hey, man, listen to me. Once you get everything, listen to me. You hear me? Look out.
Everybody been with you, man.
Nigga gonna look out up your ass, boy. Your ass gonna be wide open. Oh, Lord.
Damn, I got 100. I'm bet with him.
Nigga, fuck the 100, nigga. I want more than that. I want more than that. I want more than that.
You hear that flying low?
I want more than 100 bucks. Nigga, I used to eat 100 bucks when I was down yonder.
I'm bet 200. I'm bet.
Okay, nigga, hey, nigga, make the nickel with him.
Somebody else was already trying to lock me in, man.
That man bet me 500. You bet me 500.
Nah, I got somebody already trying to bet.
I ate enough 100 bucks.
Everybody trying to bet on your ass, man. They talking about you supposed to win. You the favorite.
I need a nickel. I need a motherfucking nickel, nigga, just to make them old. I don't give a fuck. We can do it on the street.
They saying wherever. He saying
right.
Low ain't gonna do it on the street, so he's saying Yello Belly XOP.
Man, I got mud grips on that raggedy bitch and 1,000 pounds. I ain't never heard those streets say you gonna run the street. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. You nigga, I'm on the TDT.
Fine Low versus Johnny.
The nigga told me.
Truck to truck.
C10 or the blue truck?
The blue truck.
I bet him 1,000
y'all cameras.
Y'all gonna do it to all.
What kind of truck you
Nigga,
got?
I'm gonna fuck him till I get tired. You heard me? I'm gonna fuck him till I get tired.
Yeah.
You heard me.
I'm bet with
Get on camera.
Mario said 50 on Low.
Hey, I'm ready right now.
Nah, we getting everything ready. We getting everything ready.
Let me ask you a question.
Hey.
You French, motherfucker?
Yeah, we getting everything
You French?
ready. Low.
Hey, that motherfucker.
Yeah, whenever they both say they ready.
So they gonna do, he said they gonna do 3 races.
Yeah, 2 or 3.
They doing like that.
I guess they gonna go motor, Then they gonna go juice.
Yeah.
And then whoever the winner out of that
do
want to give somebody something,
Yeah.
I can give you the back tires or I can give you the hit. That's on the negotiation. Don't nobody know what. Don't nobody know what is what.
They going like they old school.
Yeah. Ain't no passes been made to persuade you.
Oh, they got to come out crazy?
I mean, I'm just saying, ain't no passes been made. You don't know where to bet at.
That nigga wouldn't even get out the car.
What's up with it? Oh, nah, I'm out. I done sold out, man. I'm gonna have some tomorrow. I'm gonna bring the rest tomorrow.
Where'd he go?
Damn, man, that Buchanans feel good. I feel good out here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little wobbly. Shit, I feel good though. What do you got in here? Hey, what you got in here? You been stealing?
Shit, I got about a QP and then I got a brick of some raw and
How much?
huh? What you need?
How much is that shit?
Huh?
How much?
How much for what? For the brick
For the
of raw?
shit you got?
Oh shit, you want the brick or half brick?
Half.
And cut that shit with a shit. 15 right now. I do 15.
Damn, man.
I fuck with you 14.5 for the half.
14.5, that's better. Okay. Hey, miss. You got 14.5?
What?
I need 14.5.
14.5?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to know what that means?
Yeah, you know what 14.5 is? I'm trying to buy something real quick. You ain't got it or what?
No.
Oh, you ain't got it? Cause I was gonna hook up with you if you had it.
I have $14.
14.5. You gotta have the 5 with it now.
14,500 up in there.
I really got $5.
You ain't got no credit card?
No.
Oh, your credit ain't good. I can't. Man.
I mean, I didn't say my credit ain't good. I got good credit, but I ain't letting you buy
I thought you had it going on. You ain't. You playing around the game. You better use your privilege, girl. You know they give you extra. They gonna give you extra. You probably related to George Washington or some shit. You don't know. You probably got it in your bloodline. You don't even know it. Probably got something in your bloodline. Don't even know it. Hey, miss. You need to get your credit straight, miss.
I'm
telling
telling
you.
my credit straight.
So, miss, look, 14.5 shouldn't be nothing if your credit's straight. Credit straight. If your credit not straight,